The Agnihotra is done exactly on dot with the sunrise and sunset. The Agnihotra simply done anytime you want is not Agnihotra at all. It should be exactly at the time of sunrise. One should give the havisu of rice to Agni. That is said to get all the benefits of sun on that day in our favor. As we know that sun is also made up of Panchabhutas. One such is Agni, and he is more of Agni. So this Agni Hotra, exactly at the time of sunrise, helps us to get the best of sun on that day. That is exactly the purpose of Agnihotra. The literal meaning of, we know Agni is fire, Hotra is healing. Using the Agni and also sun for healing us. This is one part of the story. The other part of the story also I want to share with you. When the man has invented first time the Agni, Agni was there, but it was not in his reach, right? Because Panchabhutas were there and naturally Agni also was there. But somehow accidentally he found Agni, he invented Agni. Then he found the necessity to keep it, preserve it was a great task. You find something and we don't know once again we find it or not. It's an accidentally finding. So he said that he has selected some people and tell them, please, you take this and keep it. Preserving is your responsibility. And those families are known as Agnihotris even today. This is another meaning for Agnihotri. Agnihotri is one who preserves the Agni for society and also for healing. Now, no such required. We do not have to preserve Agni. It is only to Ahuti to be given on that day to see that the sun on that day becomes more beneficial to us. We know that sun is the healer, no doubt in it. The biggest doctor is sun. Without sun, the earth would not have even emerged. Even earth would have been there would have been no life at all. For the life, there is a need for sun rays. That means Agni is a part. And we always, our scientists say, there is a possibility of life also in Mars. And Mars is also known as Dharani Garbha Sambhuta. He is the son of Earth. That means has all the qualities of Earth. And for millions, trillions of years, the Earth was receiving the sun rays, and thus the life emerged here much earlier because it is close to sun compared to the Mars. So next closest planet to sun is only Mars. So maybe after some millions of years, nothing wrong we see this life also in Mars. How you connect is different. It is likely we can have life also there. Even though there may be life, we don't know. But the life has to evolve, It may be a small thing and it has to evolve, it's evolution. So there could be also life there. So Agnihotra Sankalpa, it is to give us health, keep the whole world health and connect us to the sun rays. That should be sankalpa. You can do it mentally and do that. That's all. But make sure that it should be done at the proper time. If you do whenever you want, that Agnihotra is not the Agnihotra at all. It is one more ahuti you are giving. If you want to call Agnihotra, should be exactly on dot. If the 656 is the sunrise, 656 is your ahuti. If sunset is 632, 632 is your ahuti. That's called Agnihotra. And this is simple, anybody can do. But once you start, you should continue. Because it's a regular thing, one you can't miss it.